afternoon, everyone. I'm Avery.
And I'm Adrian. Welcome to Wolf TV. Here is the news for April 28th, 2022.
We want to take a moment to honor this year's Teacher of the Year, WHS Science Teacher Mr. Jory Hemming. Here is a look at Mr. Hemming and why he was selected Teacher of the Year.
I love teaching science because I feel like it's very closely related to life. And I use the scientific method for most everything. It's about facing problems that we don't know the answers to and trying to figure them out to the best of our ability. Being able to help somebody be successful, you can really make an impact in this world. And sometimes all you need is an encouraging teacher or somebody to give you the benefit of the doubt to kind of show that potential and start living up to those expectations a little bit. And if I can be a catalyst for a couple of those students, then I feel like I'm fulfilling a duty and obligation and makes it feel like it's worthwhile.
Come check out the exciting and fast-paced drone soccer tournament tomorrow and Saturday in the Wolves' Den. The action runs from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Friday and from 8 a.m. to noon on Saturday. Concessions will be available after 10 a.m. for competitors and fans alike. Come out and see what it looks like when soccer and Quidditch combine and cheer on your Wolves as they compete to fly off with the trophies.
You can have lunch with the industry professionals at the ACEC Classroom to Career Symposium at MSU Denver. While there, you will engage with relevant people, skills, and attend career workshops and take part of networking and mentorship luncheon. This special event takes place tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you missed the deadline to register last Friday, stop by the Future Center today to see if they can assist you with registration.
Now let's check in with Jay for Westy Sports Report. Jay?
Hey everyone, I'm Jay, and here's what's going on in Westy Sports this week. The boys volleyball team could be heading to the playoffs. We're waiting on final rankings, so if you have any of the team in your class right now, be sure to wish them the best of luck. Congratulations on a fantastic season. Way to go, Wolves. The girls soccer team hits the road against Prairie View tonight, with JV kicking off at 5:30 and varsity taking the pitch at 7. Best of luck, ladies. The baseball team faces off against Gateway on Saturday in Wolfpack Park. This is a varsity-only game, and the first pitch is at 10 a.m. Come out to cheer on your Wolves. That's all for sports. I'm Jay.
Someone is sure to find this joke music to their ears.
Oh, Bo, the puns have begun.
Like sheets music, it's gonna be terrible.
We ought to band together and put an end to this marching madness.
This joke is gonna be a flat one, just like the rest.
Let's all tip our high hats to this bad joke of the week.
Hey Westy, how are you today? Got another good joke for you. This is for all those band people out there. How do you make a band stand? You take away their chairs. Have a good day, Westy.
It's so bad.
Attention, all staff and students. There is currently one yearbook remaining for sale.
I want the yearbook. Thank you. I want the yearbook.
I just sold it, the last one, to that girl.
No!
Don't be that person. Buy your yearbook.
At the counting window or jasmineyearbook.com.
Tonight, be sure to tune in to the District Celebrating Excellence, the 20-minute virtual ceremony beginning at 5:30 p.m. 277 amazing submissions were received, nearly doubling the number from last year. The ceremony will feature a collage of diverse and amazing projects submitted by students and staff and is hosted by our very funny cartoon actors, Dr. Justin Davis and Ms. Kara Myers. The link to join the virtual ceremony can be found on the Celebrating Excellence website at mywps.org/CE. The ceremony will begin promptly at 5:30 tonight, and we hope that you and your family will join us to honor and celebrate all of this year's WPS participants, category winners, and our grand prize winners.
No puedo evitarla y quiero evitarla. Hermoso cariño que Dios me ha mandado nomás para mí.
La universidad puede ser costosa. El costo puede hacer que parezca un sueño imposible. Sin embargo, hay muchas maneras en que una familia puede reducir el costo de la universidad.
El personal de Future Center está disponible para ayudar a los estudiantes a explorar ayuda financiera y becas como opciones adicionales.
1. Ayuda financiera se basa en los ingresos de su familia. La ayuda financiera incluye préstamos, subvenciones y trabajo de estudio.
2. Becas se otorgan a los estudiantes en función de los logros académicos, deportivos, comunitarios u otros logros extracurriculares de la escuela preparatoria.
3. Inscripción simultánea. ¿Sabías que los estudiantes de preparatoria pueden tomar clases universitarias sin matricular? No se pierda esta oportunidad de tomar clases universitarias gratuitas y comenzar con créditos universitarios.
Interesados en aprender más, contacte en el Future Center, pero actúe rápido. La fecha límite para aplicar es el 22 de noviembre.
Let's take a look at all the sports happening next week in the coming events billboard.
Before we wrap today's show up, we want to let you know that today is National Blueberry Pie Day.
And tomorrow is National Shrimp Scampi Day and International Dance Day. So go ahead and treat yourself in celebration of another year of hard work behind you.
And that's it for today's Wolf TV. Thanks for watching, and I'm Avery.
I'm Adrian. And remember, there is no school on Monday, May 2nd, so enjoy your 3-day weekend. We will see you next week.